Hi guys, so this video was actually, the beginning part anyways, was pre-recorded, and we wanted to make sure that we kind of came on and addressed everything that's going on before showing this video. If you didn't notice, we did skip Wednesday's upload, mostly because we felt that our voice right now wasn't important. The Black Lives Matter movement is extremely important, and we wanted to try to make sure that the focus was on Black voices, and so we decided to take a step back and kind of...
Well, it's about not going about his business as normal, because it's not normal.
Exactly.
What's going on.
It's not normal and it's not okay. But we also believe that this movement can't be only going on when everything is focused on the movement. Of course, in the age of social media, things are rapidly moving, and if we don't focus on this movement while life is going on as normal for a lot of people, then there's not sustainable change. So with that said, we want to make sure that we are using our platform to promote change while also giving a source of levity and happiness in a time that's greatly needed. So we are going to be, for the foreseeable future anyways, including a link in the description to some form of way you can help, whether it be by reaching out to your local politicians, whether it be by educating yourself or donating or other things you may be able to do. So today we are leaving a link for 8can'twait.org. It is a platform or a website that kind of tells you what policies are desperately needed in the cities and which one you can filter to your city. Unfortunately, it's only large cities, but I'm sure there are other ways to find out your specific city as well. But you can filter to that and you can see what policies are desperately needed, and you can reach out to your local politicians for that.
I also recommend reaching out and finding your state and federal representatives, congresspeople, senators, and asking them for change, because the more voices they hear, the more quickly positive change will happen.
Yes, we can't leave anybody to do this on their own. Everyone has to come together. Unity is so important. So I'm going to leave that link below. After you've checked out this video, please make sure that you look at that link and share it with people that you think could benefit from seeing it, and hopefully we can make even the smallest amount of impact just having a few more people lending their voice to this important cause. That said, we want to hope that you guys are able to get at least a little bit of a smile and maybe an idea of something you can do in your homes while the pandemic is still ongoing. We know that it's desperately needed for something to do at home, and I hope this helps. So enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing something a little weird. So you're gonna see shaky cameras as we both hold the camera, and my yard. So today we are trying bleach tie-dyeing for clothing that wasn't selling, and then also just because we want to try it. So originally I saw this video from Jenna Marbles, which I'll link that video down below, and a bunch of other people are doing it. And so what I did was I grabbed a few pieces of inventory that's been sitting, and also we got some random shirt that you just wanted to try, right, Tyler?
Well, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I'm behind the camera.
Yeah, so Tyler will also be in the video. We're going to be switching off. But so yeah, so what you're going to see is 4 different items of clothing. We're going to try to bleach tie-dye. We'll show you the process the best we can. I'll probably speed up some of it because it's kind of boring. But yeah, so if you like reseller content and you're interested in this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried this, if you buy items that look like this, what your experience has been, because this is brand new to me. I've never tried to DIY any items of clothing, so it should be interesting. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified the next time I post a video, and enjoy bleach tie-dyeing.
Alright, so I get to do a pair of 7 for All Mankind black jeans that are a little bit worn out. So I don't think these are actually listed because they're so worn. We're going to try to give them a little bit of new life by messing with the patterns. So, yeah.
Have any strategy for this?
I do have a couple things I want to try.
Okay, so the next item we're doing is a pair of Zara jeans. I just noticed that we're both doing black jeans, which wasn't really intentional, but so I chose these because they're already pretty trendy. They already have like the raw hem here and they already have the rips, but they're not selling very well, and it's from a thread up denim box that I've already, you know, made my money back on, so I thought maybe I can make them cooler. Maybe people will like them if they're cooler. So, let's try that. And
What's your strategy?
I have zero strategy.
You're just gonna wing it.
I'm gonna wing it.
That's so like you.
Is that sarcasm?
A little bit, yeah. This is the shirt that I picked out today at Walmart while shopping for supplies. Not today's Aiden, because my wife says it literally all the time. And it's my size and it's red.
So it's for me because it's pink.
It's in fact red.
It's in fact pink, guys. Tell me in the comments below, is this pink or red? Here, I'll give you a closer look here.
It's definitely red.
It's pink. Although in fairness to you, in the camera, it's showing up as a reddish pink, where in reality, it's a pinkish pink. But you guys let me know.
No, it's definitely red.
I would have had something red to compare it to. But okay, what's the strategy here?
I don't know. I'm gonna wing it.
Okay, so the final item is a 2 by Vince Camuto top. This has been in my closet for an eternity. It's pretty boring, blue braided like neckline. So I want to make it less boring. In the video we talked about by Jonah Marbles, she did a sweatshirt and it came out like a sky, and it was my favorite thing ever. So I'm hoping this comes out like a sky.
Yeah.
So I don't remember what she did as her like method, but
She scrunched it.
like.
Yeah, basically rubber banding.
Okay, I'm doing it. Scrunching. Okay, so we are back. There were a few steps in between that we didn't get to show on camera, so I just wanted to make sure you guys know what those steps are in case you're trying this at home. So after we did all the dyeing that you guys saw, the items needed to be washed in cold water, just kind of rinsed off, make sure all the bleach is out, and then also thrown in the washer or dryer. So we did that, and now we get to model the clothing for you. Tyler only gets to model one because there's only one men's item, boo, but he is changing now, so he should be able to model soon. Oh, now he's ready. So that's the shirt you picked out.
Yep. Not today, Satan.
Yeah, you picked this out specifically for Bleach Tie Dye.
Bleach Tie Dye, yep.
Yeah. So, I mean, I like it. What do you think?
I gotta say, I like it. I've actually already worn it since the video was recorded.
He wore it the day that I don't think you could even see me, but yeah, he wore it the day that it was done.
Yeah.
So, I think it looks really nice.
It's not bad.
Nice. So, a
Yeah.
new outfit for you.
Yeah.
You need
To
those.
go with my like 4 t-shirts that I own.
Yeah, basically. So, you'll probably be seeing this in videos because he only owns like 4. Okay, so.
This item has been sitting in your closet for quite a while.
Yeah, so this is 2 by Vince Camuto.
Yep.
And we picked this particular color because of the Jenna Marbles video that we referenced. I think it looks like the sky. Do we have the sky vibe going on?
I think so.
I feel like,
I mean, we have clouds. They don't have any clouds in California, apparently.
yeah, well, so yeah, if we panned up, you'd see. I think I match. I think I do, you know, as he pans up.
Maybe?
We tried. We're on a tripod. But yeah, so did I get anything on the back?
Yep.
Yeah, good. I think it's cute. So this one is already listed in my closet.
Do a spin. There you go.
We're gonna slow-mo that.
Probably.
But yeah, so I think it's cute. I think I like it. I'm a fan.
I would totally picture you wearing that.
Yeah,
Just
I think so.
all the time. So this next item I dyed.
Yeah,
It's
so
a pair
these
of
are
jeans.
The jeans that he dyed. So we said when we were doing it that we thought the color might be a little bit different.
It is a little bit different, but it did come out decent.
Yeah, they're like a greenish, yellowish. I don't know if I have any in the back, but
You do.
so I think they're really cool. They have a really good grunge look. I will say I have them cuffed by a lot because I am 5'1". So
Yes, you're very short, so they are calibrated for someone that's a normal height.
yeah, normal size person. So yeah, and I mean they're really cool. These I will say were we weren't like posting them before because they did have a lot of wash wear, but I think now with like the bleach and everything, it kind of just looks like a well-worn like grungy vibe that I kind of really like live for. Plus they're really soft and worn in.
They're also stretchy, aren't they?
Yes.
So they're nice and comfortable.
Very comfortable.
We might have to hem those for you.
Yeah, right? I mean, but these are listed as well. I think they're a size 28, I believe. So they're cute. I like them. Kind of want to keep them.
Yeah. And the last item is the pair of jeans that you did.
Yeah, so these are the Zara jeans. They were already really cute. They already have distressing on them. They have a zipper bottom. They have the raw hem. So the front didn't get as cool, I feel like, as the back, but they are still cool. What do you think? You like
I like the front.
Yeah, but then the back.
The back definitely got
More.
kind of the brunt of things.
And they got more, it's more white in the back. Like right over here. This one's like more of a
Well, I think that was probably on the outside edge and everything else just got a little bit shielded.
Yeah, I mean, I love the white. This part is a little bit less white, but I still think it came out really cool, and I think it added to the grunge vibe that it already had going on. So, I like them.
And there you have it.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope it gives you an idea of something you can try. If you've seen these trends going around and you've already tried it, I would love to see what you guys have done. You can tag me on Instagram in my 30s spending under 30. You can tag me in the stories, anything like that. Anyone who tags me, I will reshare it on my stories. So I would love to see what you guys have done because we're not very creative.
No.
So seeing like the different ideas that people come up with helps me come up with what I can do because we need your help.
We need suggestions to cure the boredom.
Yeah, seriously. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to reach out to me outside of YouTube, you can reach me at in my 30s spending under 30 on Instagram, spending under 30 on Poshmark, and you can comment down below as well. I will do my best to reach back to any comment that I get. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, letting me know that you like this kind of content. I have a few other DIY ideas I'd love to try, but I want to make sure that that's something you guys would want to see. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that little notification bell so you know the next time we're going to upload. We should be back with a new video on Wednesday, and it's one that I've actually promised I would do, and I just am
finally got around to doing it.
Yeah, I'm really behind on everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.